Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a foundation review. I am reviewing the Revolution Conceal and Define foundation, and yeah, if you want to know my thoughts on this foundation, make sure you keep on watching this video.
Up and down like a roller coaster. I know what you like, I know what you like. I love how you take care of me. That good.
I actually got two different shades. I got the F15 and F14, and to be very honest with you guys, they practically look the same. Looking at them right now, this is C14 and this is C16. I don't know, to be honest. We'll see when I apply it to my skin though. I'll just go ahead and quickly do my eyes and we'll get onto the foundation. So I'm going to be priming my eyes using my Conceal and Define from Revolution as well. It's in C1. Just going to quickly just put a little bit on my lid. And I'm just going to use a blending brush and just blend it in. I'm going to let that set for a little while, and then I'm going to use my Revolution baking oil to prime my skin. I'm going to add a little drop on each side of my face and my forehead. So I'm going to move on to eyeshadow now, and for eyeshadow today I'm going to be using my Revolution Reloaded Neutral 2, and it looks like, when I can open it, it looks like this. And the first shade I'm going to go in with is the orange shade right here. I'm going to be using that as a transition colour. Okay, so the transition is nicely blended in, so I'm going to go in with this shade. And I'm going to go into the transition shade with that same blending brush and just blend everything in. I've lost a bit of the shade in my inner corner, so I'm going to go back in with that shade as well and just blend in one more time. So that is now done. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, and I'll be right back. I'm going to be using that second shade to just blend the concealer and the outer corner together, if that makes sense. So I'll just be applying it here like this. And I'm going to be adding these two shades to my crease. Okay, so we're going to move on to foundation now, and I'm just going to quickly swatch them for you. I'm going to be starting with F14. I'm so used to saying C this, C that because of the concealers. But I'm going to start with F14, and I'm just going to quickly swatch that for you guys. Whoa, look at that. I just feel like it's like a bigger version of the concealer, just like from looking at the bottle, but I don't actually know what the foundation is like, so we shall see. This is F14, like I said. That's a quick swatch of F14. It's looking a bit, I don't know, it's looking a bit ashy. Okay, I'm gonna swatch F15. I think F15 might be my shade, to be honest. I should have just stuck to F15 because I've got their foundation stick, and F15 is the one for me. Maybe after blending it in, it might look a little bit different, but let me bring you guys a little closer so you can see. This is what we're working with. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly blend that in so that you guys can see what it looks like. together. I think that looks alright, you know. I think it is a good mix. It blends in so nice. I like this, and it's full coverage as well. Like when they said conceal and define, they meant it. They meant it. Excuse my phone. Listen, look at that blend. Look at that blend. Not gonna lie, Revolution did not come to play. Like, look at what that did. Like, just look at the coverage. I mean, I thought they would just stay and stick to the concealers, but they are doing good. Like, these high-end makeup need to watch out because they're on their way. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply F15 on its own on this side and just see what it looks like without mixing it with F14. Gonna blend that in. Woo! Listen. Boy. I'm not even gassing it. If you haven't got it yet, just go and get it. Go and get it. I am not buying any more expensive foundation. I tell you guys, you're gonna be seeing me using this a lot. Like, this is not a joke. It is not a joke. Guys, I don't even know what to do anymore. I don't know if I should just use one shade or mix both together, because I basically get the same results. You know what, let me just carry on with F15 because I've got it in my hand and I love the applicator. Look at how big it is. Like, it just goes into all of those corners and just, yeah. Please, let's give Revolution a round of applause for this one because I am impressed. I am impressed. Like, wow. By the way, I'm not getting paid for this. I'm literally just telling you the truth. I'm telling you what I think. I bought it with my own money and I'm just giving it a review. It is amazing. Like, it blends in so well. I don't know if I'm just guessing, but looking at what I'm seeing on camera right now and what I'm seeing in real life, there's really no difference. Like, you're basically getting the whole thing. Like, you're seeing the truth. What it does. I thought people were just hyping this up, but boy, damn. I mean, look how it just sets onto my skin. It just, I don't even know what to say anymore, guys. I'm talking too much. But I'm gonna move on to concealer. Surprise, I'm going to be using my Conceal and Define concealer in the shade C13. I thought I would just, you know, stick to Revolution makeup and just make this a Revolution video, you know. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my under eye. And I'm just going to use a beauty sponge and just blend it in. So yeah guys, the foundation has a matte finish, so it's really good for people with oily skin. If you've got oily skin and you're looking for a affordable drugstore foundation, I would definitely say go for this one. Go for the Revolution foundation because you can probably see what it's doing. To contour my face, I'm going to be using my Revolution Conceal and Define. This is in C16. It's just a few shades darker than my under eye concealer. And I'm just going to use my SACHA Buttercup powder to set my under eye. And my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. I don't like putting too much of it on my forehead though. So yeah. I'm gonna set the rest of my face using my black OPAL setting powder. To be honest, you get quite a good amount of product for £9. You get 23 millilitres, and that's quite a lot for a £9 foundation. So yeah, you know, I'm going to be setting my face using my Revolution Pro Fix setting spray, and I'll just shake it a little bit and spray it on my face. I love this setting spray. I'm going to let that dry and move on to my lips. So I'm going to be using a brown pencil to just line my lips. For my lips today, I'm going to be mixing these two lip glosses. I'm going to go in with the nude one first. And I'm going to apply just a little bit of the pink shade at the centre of my lips, like this. And just, yeah. For highlight today, I'm using my Revolution highlighter in Golden Addict. And I'm just going to apply that to the bridge of my nose. Yeah, this is the finished look, guys. Like, I am so happy I got this foundation. I feel like my makeup is going to be on for a really long time. But yeah, guys, I definitely recommend this foundation. Make sure you go check it out. It's so inexpensive, so worth it. I am loving it. Like, I'm actually on my way out now, so I'm gonna go show everyone how I slayed today. Yeah, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, like, comment, share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.